Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing, which I'm going to do right now to make sure I've got my mic on right. I forgot that. How's that? This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing to explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we are covering tip number 14 in the Easy Momentum Tips series. And today's tip is how to get easy momentum when you need a plan. So I'd like you to think about an area of life where you'd like to get some momentum. Any area of life works, whether it's personal or professional, relationships, body, wellness, beauty, money, career, dreams like houses, creative projects, anything at all. Pick an area of life that's important to you where you'd like to get momentum. And if you feel like you've been having trouble getting started or you felt stuck because you either don't have a plan or don't know how to do what you need to do or what you think you need to do, then stick around. I really think you're going to like today's tip and you can take it off into your day and practice with it. If you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And I do this by teaching the one skill most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. Because most ambitious, goal-oriented people tend to have a unique set of blind spots and behaviors that cause them to overdevelop their hunter skills in pursuit of their goals and dreams while malnourishing the skills, the receiving skills that allow them to welcome into their life what they've been working so hard for. So if this sounds like you, then just know that receiving what you want and surpassing your limits is not about working harder. It's actually about training your awareness. Awareness comes first. Action and work comes secondary. So that's what we do here. We stop all of the overfunctioning and we train our awareness to open the flow gates to receive what we've been working so hard for. So let's go on to tip number 14. When you need a plan, how to get easy momentum. Understand this. Not knowing what to do or how to do it is not a problem. Not knowing has a power and a purpose when you know how to access it. But here's the thing, when you're in hunter mode, you will think that not knowing is a problem because hunter mode is a planning mode. It's a lot of thinking and a lot of action. But when you understand how to receive, you understand that not knowing actually is very, very powerful. So what we need to do when we don't know is to understand that that is space. Not knowing is space. There's an emptiness in your mind. There's an emptiness in your planning, the future. You're right here, right now. And when you start to see that emptiness and spaciousness actually is the invitation that allows you to receive something new, an awareness, an insight, a resource, an opportunity, a lesson, then you understand that spaciousness or not knowing is what makes the next upper limit dissolve. It's what makes things possible to go beyond what you've known. Because here's the thing, you either know or you don't know. All right. So not knowing, when you're on this side of your upper limit, it's everything that you know. What's on the other side of your upper limit? It's what you don't know. It's the unknown. Okay. So there's a time to plan. When you know, plan. When you don't know, receive instead. I always like to say, a bowl that is empty, that has a space, can receive something new. But a bowl that is full can receive nothing new. So when you're trying to plan and trying to figure out and are worrying about not knowing, the space of your awareness is full of concern and thinking there's a problem and you need to know, and you wrestle with it because you don't understand the purpose and the power of the not knowing. But when you don't know, your opportunity is to do this. Oh, I don't know. I don't have a plan. And see that I don't know as life tapping you on the shoulder and saying, hey, I got something for you. Are you ready to receive it? And then you can practice this affirmation. This comes from the Receive Oracle card deck, Be Spacious. And the affirmation is, I am willing to discover the manifesting power of caring for my space. Try saying, I don't know, when you have a plan, and try enjoying it. Say, oh, I don't know. What might life be trying to give me now? I am willing to receive. I'm willing to receive insights. I'm willing to receive clarity. I'm really willing to receive opportunities in ways better than I ever imagined. I am willing to discover the manifesting power of caring for my space. So I hope you liked this. If you liked it, please like, please share. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. If you're on YouTube, click the red subscribe button. I'll notify you each time I release a video. And if you've been liking these tips and you've missed any of them, go to easymomentumtips.com. You'll find a number of different ways that you can get all of the tips. We're up to 14 now. And if you'd like to actually energize the momentum that you're starting to see as possible, save the date, May 21st. I'll be doing the Get Momentum workshop. We'll be releasing details as soon as possible. For more information on how to register. And remember, you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. See you in the next video. Bye.